In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have multi-view put your clones in particular positions that are prefixed, which makes it a lot faster than to drag them from one monitor to the other or to move them around. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this. I'll hit on top of the keyboard. We can create a clone by hitting the numbers 1 through 8. In this case, I have 4 videos, so I'm going to clone them by pressing first number 1, which is going to clone the number 1 video, and then number 2, number 3, and number 4. And if they show black, you can just simply hit play for a second, and then they will come back into to show you the video. Now, for this purposes here, I'm going to show you you can take any of these video clones and you can resize them if you want. And then if you wanted to put them, use Windows 11, you can use the templates up here to place them any place. But we have, in multi-view, have another function, 2 functions, 3 functions that you can use. F9 will put those videos across the screen like that, and then I can play them that way. The 4th one I made inactive because it's not in sync with these 3. But if I made it active, it would still play like that. That's one of the ways you can arrange them. These are 1/4 size, and then if I hit F9 key again, I could actually grab them and I can make them another size. So if I wanted to make that one bigger than the other ones, and then I wanted to place that here, and all this can be done automatically by using these keys, the F9 and 10, 11 keys. And I will show you that if I now hit F10, it'll make them quarter panel like that. And then if I play the video, and then again, if I wanted to hit F10 again, I can then grab any one of them and I can make them, let's say if I wanted to make this smaller, and then I can, let me make this smaller here, and then I can zoom in using the Z key, and then I can pan, and then I can put this someplace else here, like that, or as a window, a picture, and now I'm going to hit F8 to remove all the borders, like that. This is pretty handy. Now if I play it, I can see a zoom view, and as it's playing I can actually zoom around or pan around the video, maybe center it. So I can do this all real time, like that. Okay. So that's, I've got my, and then if I wanted to make them all full screen, I could hit the F11 key, and now they're all full screen. They're hidden one behind the other. That one there is I'm going to recenter that. So I've got all 3 now, and so when I play the videos, I can just simply switch between them and do that. But then if I wanted to put them back, and if you wanted to see all of them, I put them in, let's say I put them back into quarter screen, I can see them there. So it's very dynamic. You can do all this. I wanted to zoom in on my other camera. I just hit Z and just re-center it. So that's pretty flexible. And then to get all of them off the screen, I would hit F12, and they all are removed. So this is a very handy way to get your videos. Now, if you have 2 monitors, for example, I could put, the system will detect that, and if I hit F9, F10, or F11, it'll automatically place them on the secondary monitor for you and put them in the same arrangement. So as if you saw here, this is our 1 monitor, if I hit the F9, this screen here, it would be putting them on the secondary monitor. So that's how that would work. Thank you.